Hi, my name is Frank Rosditas. This is FTT 122. Today's date is March 23rd, 2025. This is my week 2 assignment video submission. We're on part 1. Part 1, we're going to demonstrate the features of the modern case, and I'm also going to describe these features and explain why the cartridge has been designed this way. This right here is a bottleneck cartridge used obviously in most rifles, but more familiar with the 5.56, 2.23, military rounds. But on the top we have the mouth, which that is where the projectile is inserted. We have the neck, we have the shoulder, which is the angled area. Then we have the body all the way down. And at the end right here, we have the extractor groove, and that is where the extractor grabs the spent casing and ejects it out. And then we also have the rim on the bottom. On the bottom, we also have the head or the face, which has the head stamps. Also has the primer pocket in the middle, which has, of course, the primer in a flash hole that allows a spark to go into the body and ignite the propellant. So there's that. The modern cases were designed this way for higher pressures and velocity. It also allowed for greater powder capacity, better gas seal, and more accurate alignment with the barrel, as well as a smoother feeding from the magazine and better extractions. Part 2. According to my research, in my opinion, are there any weaknesses in today's modern case? And if so, what can we improve on it? And how would that affect the ballistics? Looking at it, the bullet diameter, the diameter of the bullet itself, which is right here. If we look at this, we see that the actual bullet diameter is thinner than the body itself. So a lot of propellant in here to push out a small round. Now, if we could, so basically what that says is it has great trajectory, it has great performance for velocity and everything else, but it affects the effectiveness, the performance of this round because of the smaller projectile. Now, I think that my opinion, if we can increase the projectile size without having to change the actual casing itself, by means of improving the propellant in a way that would give the velocity and the trajectory of this bullet now with a larger bullet, it would be more effective on the battlefield. It would also increase the amount of rounds that an individual can carry on the battlefield. So that's what I think, and that's my opinion. Number 3 is, how does the shoulder angle in the bottleneck cases affect the performance of the cartridge? I picked number 5, which that is this, and I have that the shoulder angle has a role in the projectile's velocity and trajectory. The steeper the angle, the shoulder, the more capacity, and the less of an angle is more dead space. It's less capacity. So basically, if you have a steeper angle, then you're able to put more propellant in here, projecting the bullet out. So that's pretty much how that is. This is my submission. I hope it went well. Thank you. Have a nice day.